So you want to learn flips, but you don't know where to start? Well then, boy, do I have just a tutorial for you. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you the first flip you should learn, in my opinion of course, to get started in your flipping journey. As you can see, I've lost both my arms. But that won't matter, because this move is so easy, you can learn it even without arms.
Before you start learning this move, make sure you have the following. Legs. Once you've made sure you have legs, you are now ready to proceed to step 1. In order to start learning the tricking aerial, we're going to start in a neutral stance with your feet shoulder width apart. Then all you're going to do is take your right foot and step over. Boom! Then take your left foot and step over. Boom! Step 2. For step 2, you'll do the same as in step 1, but this time you'll make your steps larger while dipping your head and chest in time with your steps. In order to generate more momentum for the aerial, it may help to start the move by winding your upper body in the opposite direction. As you become more comfortable with this step, you'll want to begin shaping your aerial by kicking higher and dipping your chest lower. Boom! Step 3. The final step is to take what you learned in step 2 and initiate the leg switch after kicking the first leg instead of stepping over. As you get better at this move, make sure to keep your eyes on the floor and to kick as high as you can before leaving the ground. Boom! Congratulations, you've landed your first aerial, and you still have no arms.
Ask Santa for a new pair of arms this Christmas.